Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic Coin and Binance. Remember, Binance currently have actually destroyed 38 that is over 38 billion. Okay, yes, Binance have destroyed 38.8 billion coins, 38 billion 811 million 199,319 Terra Classic coin has been destroyed by Binance alone. And I believe for the end of the year, before the end of December 31st, Binance is going to hit about 50 billion bonds. Okay, yes, if there's a possibility for Binance alone to burn at least 50 billion coins of Terra Classic before the end of the year, and that means if they can achieve that, it means Binance, at the time of recording this, Binance actually burning 51.6% of the total burn, which means Binance alone is burning more than half of Terra Classic total burn. So you see, Binance, they are the one holding Terra Classic, they are the one helping Terra Classic to stand, that they are one pushing Terra Classic, and that is one thing I love about the Binance founders. Easy. Now for me, I think if they can really keep on burning, if they can really push this, and of course hit over 50 billion bonds before the end of the year, and if you can start the new year, which is 2024, if Binance must have burned 50 billion, I believe next year Binance might hit double of that. That means Binance might hit an extra 100 billion bonds, okay, just for Binance alone, remember. But I still hope to see Terra Classic burning increase once the market cap keep increasing, once the trading volume keep increasing because of the tax bond. Okay, so for me, Binance have really done well by destroying about 38.8 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC. So let's hope to see what Terra Classic is going to offer within the next coming months, and I believe everything is still going to be all right. I believe Terra Classic is going to bomb once again. Let's hope for the best. Thank you for stopping by.